Birds. Flying birds. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. It is a small bird. It lives around our houses. It eats grains. Hummingbird. This is a hummingbird. It feeds the nectar from the flower through its long beak. Myna. This is a myna. It lives around our house. It eats insects and small lizards. Cuckoo. This is a cuckoo. It is seen in the spring season. It lays its egg in other birds' nest. Peacock. This is a peacock. It is the national bird of India. It is a beautiful bird. It dances in the rainy season. Parrot. This is a parrot. It is green in color with different pattern of colors in it. It can be trained to talk like us. Crane. This is a crane. It eats fish and other pond animals. It stays in the water for a long time waiting for fish. Heron. This is a heron. It hunts fishes in the pond and rivers and eats them. It has sharp beak. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. It makes holes in the woods and eats the insects inside the wood of the tree trunk. Hornbill. This is a hornbill. These are large birds. It feeds on fruits of the trees. It lives in the forest. Hawk. This is a hawk. These are good hunters of pigeons and other small birds. Vulture. This is a vulture. They feed on dead animals. They do not hunt. Owl. This is an owl. They are active only at night. They eat mouse and other small rodents. Do not harm these birds if you see in the day. Duck. This is a duck. It lives in the lakes and feeds on frogs and other tiny creatures. It sounds quack quack. Pelican. This is a pelican. It lives in lakes and feeds on fishes in it. It has a long beak with a bag-like pouch. Swallow. This is a swallow. It can be seen flying all the time. It catches flies in the air and eats them.